With marijuana illegal in any form at the federal level, states are forging their own paths to medical and recreational use. Each year that goes by, there seems to be a shift in cannabis legalization across the states. With a rapidly growing market and even more politicians bowing to cannabis reform, it can get a bit confusing parsing out state and federal nuances when it comes to cannabis law. 48 states have laws on the books that allow or decriminalize the use of cannabis in some form. 11 states and Washington, D.C. have legalized, and 15 states have decriminalized, adult-use cannabis, which usually allows retail sales and homegrown marijuana on a mixed basis. A majority of states have enacted medical marijuana laws, which allow eligible patients to obtain or grow cannabis to treat a range of conditions. Late 2018, President Trump signed into law the Farm Bill, which contained a provision legalizing hemp, a species of cannabis that CBD can be extracted from but that isn't psychoactive. However, the new Farm Bill does not create a completely free system in which individuals or businesses can grow hemp whenever and wherever they want. There are numerous restrictions. First, hemp cannot contain more than 0.3% THC. Second, there will be significant, shared state-federal regulatory power over hemp cultivation and production. Third, the law outlines actions that are considered violations of federal hemp law. Ultimately, the Farm Bill legalizes hemp, but it doesn't create a system in which people can grow it as freely as they can grow tomatoes or basil. This will be a highly regulated crop in the United States for both personal and industrial production. The House will vote on legislation in late 2020 to remove cannabis from the Controlled Substances Act and erase some marijuana criminal records. Cannabis is currently listed as a Schedule I drug under the Controlled Substances Act, meaning there's a high chance for abuse and no medical benefits. Removing it under the Act would eliminate the federal prohibition on the drug but leave in place state laws making it illegal. It would also expunge criminal records and provide grant funding for people who have been negatively impacted by enforcement of marijuana laws. With the growing and selling of hemp now legal, greater access to CBD could mean more substantial trials and more definitive research into its purported health benefits. And it will certainly be beneficial to the CBD industry. Next, we will talk about the similarities and differences between CBD and THC.